Hello everyone, welcome back to our tutorial on volume and surface area of pyramids, cones and spheres. Alright, so we have a question here. A small tank is filled with water to a height of 15 cm. When a solid pyramid with a square base of side 10 cm is placed fully inside the tank, the water level increases by 0.5 cm. Okay, so we got two parts. Part A is find the initial volume of water in tank. Okay, so volume of water in the tank, which is filled up to 15 cm height, is obtained by taking length times breadth times by height, right? So in this case, it will be 30 times by 25 times by 15 cm. Okay, so using our calculator, what we'll get for the volume of water in the tank is simply 11250 cubic centimeters. Okay, so this is the volume of water in tank, is exact value, so just leave it as it is. All right, so this for part A. Part B, it says find the height of the pyramid. So what happens is this pyramid of square base of side 10 cm is placed fully inside the tank, because when we put in the pyramid, it will increase the water level, correct? And the increment is 0.5 cm. This increment of 0.5 cm is equal to the volume of the pyramid. Okay, so for us to find the height of pyramid, we need to find the increase in the water level, the volume of the new volume inside the tank. Okay, so and then we form it into equation to find the height of the pyramid. So volume of water displaced by the pyramid is simply 30 times by 25 times by, the increment is 0.5, right? So the height will be 0.5 cm. So this is the increment caused by the volume of increased by the it is due to the pyramid. Okay, this is the volume of pyramid. And the volume of pyramid is obtained by taking is obtained by taking 1/3 times by base area, the base area times by h, which is what we are looking for. Okay, so calculate our volume of pyramid first. So 30 times by 25 times by 0.5 will give us 375. This is the volume of pyramid, okay, which is translated by the increment in the water level, right? So 1/3 times by our base area. The area of the pyramid is a square, so it's basically 10 times by 10, then multiply by height here. Okay, so 375 is equals to 100 over 3 times by h. Therefore, h is simply 375 divided by 100 over 3. Okay, and what we'll get is simply 11.25 centimeters. Okay, it's an exact value, so we just give it as it is. That is the height of the pyramid. Okay, so to recap, what we need to understand in this question is when we put in a solid inside a container with water, the water level will increase. The increment in the water level is because of the volume of the pyramid. Okay, so because they mentioned the volume, because they mentioned the increment in the height is 0.5, that is the amount of water displaced by the pyramid. Okay, that's why we use this 1/3 we use the volume of water in the cuboid, 30 times by 25 times by 0.5, okay, instead of 15 or any other values. Okay, what we need to take note of is the height, which is 0.5 centimeters. This is equivalent to the volume of the pyramid. And just to recap, volume of pyramid is 1/3 base area times by height. Okay, the base area of this pyramid is a square base, so that's why we take 10 times by 10 for the base area, and then from there we can get our height, leaving this as the unknown. Okay, so this is one example for volume and surface area of pyramids. Okay, I'll catch you at our next videos.